Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 16th of February, 2024. Indian benchmark indices ended higher for the fourth consecutive session on February 16th with Nifty above 22,000. At close, the Sensex was up 376.26 points, or 0.52% at 72,426.64, and the Nifty was up 129.90 points, or 0.59% at 22,040.70. Biggest gainers on the Nifty included Wipro, M&M, SBI Life Insurance, Adani Ports and Maruti Suzuki, while top losers were Power Grid Corporation, ONGC, SBI, Britannia Industries and Reliance Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have SPICEJET stock rose 10% on Friday as its CMD Ajay Singh and Busy Bee Airways Private Limited have jointly submitted a bid for crisis-hit Go First airline. The bid has been submitted by Ajay Singh in his personal capacity, along with Busy Bee Airways Private Limited. SPICEJET will serve as the operating partner for the new airline providing staff and services, said the airline in an exchange filing. NATCO PHARMA hit a 52-week high 2 days after the company reported a threefold rise in its net profit to 212.7 rupees crore, supported by strong revenue in the December quarter. The company's revenue zoomed 54% on-year to 758.6 rupees crore. Nuvama Equities maintained their buy call on NATCO PHARMA, as they reasoned the company's focus on complex formulations with strong performance from Revlimid will provide them with a robust pipeline of products for the US market. Contributions from the rest of the world markets picking up is also good for the company, Nuvama added. Mahindra and Mahindra shares rise 5% to 52-week high on February 16th after the company signed an agreement for Volkswagen components to be used in its electric vehicles. Mahindra will equip a certain range of its INGLO electric platform with Volkswagen's MEB and unified cells, according to a statement from M&M. The two companies had signed a partnering deal and term sheet back in 2022. The unified cells concept is the core element of Volkswagen's battery strategy. The supply deal will run over several years and will have a total volume of about 50 GWh over a lifetime. Mahindra plans to launch 5 all-electric SUVs in India based on its new, purpose-built electric platform INGLO. Starting December 2024, the statement said. Shares of IPCA Laboratories jumped more than 8% on February 16th with positive on the stock after the company's in-line Q3 financial year 2024 earnings. IPCA Labs reported a 66.8% on-year rise in consolidated net profit at 179.88 rupees crore in the December quarter. Its revenue came in at 2,052.86 rupees crore, up 32% YOY. According to Motilal Oswal, IPCA Labs remains on track to deliver better-than-industry growth in the domestic formulation segment. It's rebuilding the US business from its site, given successful compliance in place. However, the branded generic segment would need enhanced efforts to improve growth prospects, it said. Shares of Gujarat Gas Limited declined 6% to 545 rupees in the morning trade on February 16th, after multiple brokerage firms became pessimistic about the counter following a 40% slump in the December quarter net profit. In the third quarter, the company reported a consolidated net profit of 221 rupees crore, as against 371 rupees crore last year. However, its revenue from operations increased around 7% during the quarter to 4,084 rupees crore from 3,821 rupees crore a year back. In the last 3 months, the counter has given a return of over 28% on the bourses. Unionfo Telecom Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 47.50 points with a change of 19.2% and is trading with a net volume of around 760.294 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 40.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.03. BGR Energy Systems Limited in daily time frame is trading around 108.35 points with a change of 17.71%, and is trading with a net volume of around 4.023 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 99.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.52. Nectar Life Sciences Limited in daily time frame is trading around 43.15 points with a change of 17.41% and is trading with a net volume of around 21.109 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 37.62, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.79. For the stock recommendation we have, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited looks good and can be bought at 178 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 172 rupees and a target of 188 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.